In the depths of space, something ancient approaches. Astronomers scramble. The world holds its breath. Is it a comet? Or something far stranger? July 2025. The realm. Our solar system. A new visitor is detected. Its velocity and path are unlike anything seen before. The question stirs, is 3I Atlas simply a cosmic wanderer, or evidence of intelligence beyond Earth?
Like its predecessors, carries clues about distant worlds, and sometimes extraordinary mystery.
On a quiet morning, the Atlas Survey telescope registers an anomaly. Initial data suggest a comet, until trajectory analysis reveals origins from beyond the sun's grasp. Unprecedented speed, unusual outgassing. Anomalies whisper of possible advanced technology.
When the number came in, we were astounded. This was not just another comet. Interstellar speed challenged everything we know about the solar system's boundaries.
Speculation surges from among scientists and the public alike. Is this interstellar visitor an artifact? A vessel hurtling towards Earth? Conspiracy, wonder, and fear begin to collide. 3I Atlas is not the first messenger from distant stars. In 2017, Oumuamua ignited debates with its cigar shape and erratic acceleration. In 2019, 2I Borisov proved to be a textbook comet, but interstellar nonetheless. Against this backdrop, scientists like Dr. Olivier Hanopt and Dr. Avi Loeb rise to prominence, locked in discourse over alien possibilities and cosmic chance. The world's leading institutions mobilize. NASA, European Southern Observatory, Harvard, each seeking answers before time runs out. As signals ripple and data pour in, the line between myth and science blurs. The stage is set for a conflict of ideas and a race against cosmic mystery.
Whenever a new interstellar object appears, the possibility of discovery is enormous. But so is the risk of speculation outpacing reality.
As data streams from observatories worldwide, the first obstacles emerge. Analysis reveals 3I Atlas's nucleus defies typical comet models. No predictable tail, volatile jets of cyanogen and carbon monoxide. Optical spectra and radio emissions ignite heated debate. Is this a natural object, or has technology shaped its form? Experts debate. Journalists speculate. Social media buzzes. Meanwhile, teams coordinate their telescopic schedules, racing to secure observations before the visitor vanishes forever.
The rapidly changing signals and lack of a classic tail forced us to reconsider every assumption. It's unlike any we've cataloged. If it's artificial, then every protocol for study must adapt.
Public attention pushes the limits of scientific patience. Data from space agencies intermingle with wild theories and viral videos. The pressure mounts, not just to understand, but to explain the inexplicable. Suddenly, the spectral emissions shift. For the first time, a narrowband radio signal is detected from 3I Atlas. Astrobiologists catch their breath. Experts debate the possibility of encoded information. Yet as scrutiny intensifies, NASA rules out artificial origin. The tension splits the community, a crossroad between hope and reason.
It's easy to want answers that confirm our most imaginative dreams. But extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. And 3I Atlas remains an astrophysical enigma, no more, no less.
With consensus fractured, the story pivots towards a decisive confrontation with truth itself. The world's leading minds assemble. Their task, catch the object's secrets before it slips into solar oblivion. Crucial decisions unfold, attempting remote spectrography, dispatching probes, calibrating new sensors. Each error risks irretrievable knowledge. Each breakthrough could rewrite cosmic history. Rumors of hidden patterns in the comet's radio emissions drive midnight analysis and hushed discussions. Mistakes cost precious time, friendships strain, reputations hang in the balance. One final observing window approaches, the last chance for answers before 3i Atlas is lost.
When you face an anomaly this profound, you must think boldly. The line between comet and vessel blurs as it persistently defies old models. We exhausted every possibility to detect non-natural signals. What remains is a comet, exceptional but fundamentally natural.
The clock ticks down. The world holds its breath. In the lab, in homes, across continents, the meaning of 3i Atlas becomes a question for all humanity. Is what we see born of physics or purpose? The answer looms as the crisis nears. 0 hour arrives. Observatories worldwide synchronize for a final data burst. Sensors hum, images sharpen, signals ping in real time. The comet's surface erupts in a jet, the largest ever witnessed. For a moment, readings spike. Teams scramble to decode, analyze, interpret. Each fragment of evidence scrutinized, each anomaly weighed. Did we miss the truth? Did an artifact slip past planetary vigilance, or has nature once again proved stranger than imagination?
We must be content with the mystery, but each answer reveals new depths of cosmic wonder. Whether a machine or stone,
the window closes. Amid silence and awe, the signal fades, the object recedes, a memory etched into scientific history. In the wake of 3i Atlas's passage, the scientific world recalibrates. Fame and disappointment mingle for the teams whose efforts defined the race. Immediate results show no artificial signature, nature prevails. For some, it is a loss of dreams, for others, a triumph of knowledge. New protocols are drafted, data archived, debates continue, but the evidence stands. The vessel remains a comet, extraordinary in origin, ordinary in essence.
Calling of every generation seeks the extraordinary. But in the fabric of normality, we find the universe's most profound lessons. We must observe, question, and accept.
The central question finds its answer. Data, peer review, and hard skepticism dispel the notion of an alien vessel. As in past cosmic encounters, myth fades before measurement. Yet history marks each interstellar visitor, symbols of possibility, mirrors for imagination. The legacy of 3i Atlas in 2025 is a testament to human curiosity, the hunger for answers, and the capacity to dream. From Harvard's halls to international forums, experts agree. The comet's journey is a chapter in the ongoing saga of cosmic discovery.
Imagination and rigor must work together. Science advances when wild ideas drive precise investigation. And when we accept the answers, wherever they lead. The legacy of interstellar objects is not in their secrets, but in the questions they raise for every future generation. We may never know every detail, but what matters is that we looked, and that we will continue to look.
In the search for meaning among the stars, the vessel proves to be a comet, a messenger, not a machine. Its journey echoes through science, through culture, through the dreams of all who gaze upward. Past, present, and future entwine in the legacy of 3i Atlas. The universe remains vast, mysterious, and close, always waiting for the next question, the next answer, the next encounter.